Welcome back to our channel, everyone. We're thrilled to bring you an exciting unboxing today, the Hikvision DS-2DE2C400MWG-4G 4MPPT network camera. This fantastic piece of technology is specifically designed for indoor HD monitoring, making it perfect for small businesses and office settings. It also excels in close-range monitoring for environments like warehouses, lobbies, server rooms, garages, and more. One of the standout features of this camera is its impressive support for 4G LTE data transmission, made possible by a built-in 4G SIM slot for internet connectivity. This means you can enjoy flexible and reliable operation even in locations where traditional Wi-Fi access isn't available. This is a real game changer for ensuring your premises are always under watchful eyes. The Hikvision DS-2DE2C400MWG-4G takes security to the next level with its advanced human and vehicle detection capabilities. This feature is designed to accurately identify activities in its field of view, significantly reducing the chances of false alarms and enhancing your overall security experience. Whether it's detecting a car pulling into the garage or someone walking through the lobby, this camera is up to the task. Additionally, it's equipped with an SD card slot that supports onboard storage of up to 512 GB. This means you can store approximately 1 to 2 weeks of footage, giving you plenty of time to review recordings without needing to worry about constantly managing storage. For those of you concerned about installation, you'll be pleased to know that this package comes complete with essential mounting hardware. You'll find fixing screws, a drill template, and a comprehensive user manual, ensuring that setting up the camera is as straightforward and user-friendly as possible. Let's talk about performance. This camera boasts several innovative features, including the smart hybrid light technology, which provides advanced illumination of up to 30 meters. This fantastic feature ensures that even in low-light conditions, you'll be able to capture clear and detailed 4MP resolution images, essential for identifying faces or any details during nighttime monitoring. Furthermore, communication is a breeze with the built-in microphone and speaker, which support two-way audio. This means you can directly interact with people who come into the camera's view, perfect for addressing visitors in offices, monitoring garage activity, or communicating with staff in lobbies. In our upcoming videos, we'll take a closer look at how this camera integrates seamlessly with other security systems, providing you with comprehensive protection for your property. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel. We appreciate your continued support, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.